Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for your free Scribble account and how to get the Scribble Chrome extension. You will first need to go to scribble.com. That is Scribble with 1b.com. When you get here, you're going to click the blue Sign Up Free button. Now you will have a couple of questions to answer. Please answer them honestly. You are a student. You are at least 13 years old. And your school is a primary or secondary school. Then you will need to hit Next. Now, when you get here, choosing how you want to sign into Scribble, please select the Google G, as you will want to link this to your RBHS Google account. And then select your account. I have already signed in with this account. There may be other questions you need to answer, so please do that. If you get this window about changing your access, for now, just hit close. You do not need to add a new email address as you are not graduating soon. From this page, and yours will look a little bit different as it will be blank, you will need to go to the top where it says Tools next to the Scribble logo, because we now need to install the Chrome extension. So now here you're going to click on the blue Install Now icon to install the extension. You should be able to add this. If you cannot add it to Chrome, please contact me, Mrs. Phillips, at phillipsa@rbhs208.net. If you get to this page at Scribble, and you already have the extension installed, go up to your Extensions tab, the little puzzle piece, and make sure you pin the Scribble toolbar. This is the little red S at the top. Once that is installed, you are now ready to begin using Scribble.